So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So after a long time we are meeting. My intention was not to meet with all of you, but because of some reason I need to meet with all of you. So now let's get into video without wasting much time. So today's video will be based on the how you can do a effective revision for the last 15 or 17 days, that is remaining time for your examination. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So initially what you have to do is you have to allocate your 5 days, that is from the 3rd November to 8th November. You have to allocate your 5 days for the paper number 5 and paper number 9. Why 5 days? Because these are the initial papers, and whatever confidence you have in initial papers, it will carry over till the last paper. So you have to be more confidence, more prepared for the paper number 5 and paper number 9. So you have to allocate your at least 5 or 6 days from the 2nd November or the 3rd November, as per your wish, till the 8th November, so that once your examination will start, you will be more prepared for the paper number 5 and paper number 9. So that is how you have to allocate 5 or 6 days for the paper number 5 and paper number 9. So I hope I am clear with how you can start with. So that is, right now you are not required to touch that paper number 5 and paper number 9. I am assuming that you have done with your first time reading and you are doing your revision only. So that is how you have to start. After that, what you can start is from today onward, from 18th November or 19th November, you can start with the paper number 8 and paper number 12. Here I have mentioned that costing paper number 8 and paper number 12, you have to allocate your minimum 3 days, because these are the last paper. And even if you are doing a great amount of revision in initial days, it will not be fruitful to everyone. So you have to invest minimum time for the paper number 8 and paper number 12. So you have to invest your 3 days for the paper number 8 and paper number 12. So from 19th, 20 and 21 November, you have to start working for costing and company accounts and audit. So this is your first task. First I can say it is your first task to start with the paper number 8, and then you have to start with the paper number 12. Within 3 days you have to complete your revision. After that, you have a 9 days for 4 papers. That is very much time. So after that, you can start working on paper number 6 and paper number 10, because these are also are not on lengthy paper. So you have to invest your 4 days for both the papers. So here I have mentioned that for the low end cost FM, you have to invest your 4 days, and after that you can start working on the paper number 7 and paper number 11. These are the lengthy papers, so you have to invest your minimum 5 days for both the papers. So I hope now I am clear with how you can do your revision. From November 18th, 19, 20 and 21, start working on costing and company accountant audit. Then 22, 23, 24 and 25, paper number 6 and paper number 10. 26 to 1st November, paper number 7 to paper number 11, that is 5 or 6 days. And after that, from 2nd November, you have to start only working for paper number 5 and paper number 9. So this is how you can start your working as per your wish. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. So now, thank you, bye bye, and take care and all the best for exam.